Howdy howdy everyone, Yogurt here, and you are here because you want to know how to redirect on YouTube, aka raid another stream like you would on Twitch when you're finished with your stream, because, well, the only civilized thing to do in these circumstances is to send your viewers to one of your friends who is live or a channel you like. So, to do that, you will come up to here to edit, click that, you will come to customization, scroll down, and you will see redirect here. You'll click add. Click over here, search for videos from other channels, and then it'll show you your options. You can search for other videos or whatever you want. Typically, if there's anybody you're following, it'll show up here if they're live, and that's how you would do it. So you'd click that. So we'll be clicking on that. You'll click save. And once you end your stream, it will redirect to the other stream and send all your viewers over there. It's that simple, that easy. So that's how you do it when you're wrapping up your stream. You just take a minute, do that, and then you can redirect your viewers, aka raid another channel. You can also do it before you go live, but that's more cumbersome because then you're counting on that same person to be streaming that same stream by the time you finish up, which is less than likely when they started before you did in the first place, but you never know. So, much easier to just do it at the end of your stream before you wrap up or as you're wrapping up. Hope that helps. If it did, let me know in the comments. If it didn't, well, let me know why in the comments and I'll try and make it better. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves out there, stay safe and healthy, and I will see you all next time.